hello. Oh. Sorry, I think that used to record has like all these new buttons on it. We're gonna have to try that. Anyways, welcome to 9.6 Homework Help. Here we go. So you're only doing 11 through 16. See, I even said stop here. You're only doing 11 through 16. If you do more, fine. But you should be doing this and you should be doing the Unit 5 review. Okay? Okay. That's kind of why I cut down your homework tonight, was so you could also do the Unit 5 review. Alrighty. So, number 11, you're creating a scatter plot for the data in the table. All right. Oh, I don't think I can comment on this yet. Hold on. Oh, all my buttons went away. Hold on. Aw. That's so fun. Let's see if it'll, I don't think it carries over though. No. Okay. Anyways. So you have English scores and you have your history scores. Woo. So they don't tell you which one is X and which one is Y. Typically the first column is X. So I'm going to put my English down here. So this is English. English. This is my English scores. That means over here, these are going to be my history scores. All right, let's see. English, 16. Let's figure out what our scale is going to be. My lowest is 44. My highest is 70. Kind of just want to count by fives. Yeah, yeah. All right, so lost what I was doing. Let me zoom in a little bit more, maybe. That didn't really help. Okay. So I'm going to make this my English, and I think I'm going to count by fives. My scale is going to be fives. If you want to do something else, that's fine. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, so let's put, this is 40. Oh. Okay, we'll do 40. Maybe I'll leave an empty spot in between since they're so big. Here. There we go. 40, 45. So let's do this, make this 45. And then this will be 50. So I guess I'm doing every other. This is 50, which means this is 55. Wait, 50. Skip that one. This is 55, 60. 40. 40, 45, 50, 55. Okay, this would be 60, 65, and then 70, and that's as high as I can go. Okay, 70. All right, and then history, my lowest is what, a 57? My highest is, I think I'm just gonna go by fives again now. Yes. We'll start at the same. They start the same, I'll start at the same. So we can make this 40, 45, 50. I'm going every other again. 55, 60, 65, 70. Okay, that's as high as I should have to go, right? Yes. Cool. So then you're just plotting your points. So I'm not going to do all of them. So 60 and 65. So 60 and 65. Oh, boy, 60. Boom. Put a point. All right, so you're just going to plot all of those on your graph. Okay. Then once you do that, do they have a positive or a negative correlation? So that's talking about the slope. Once you plot all your points, is it a positive or a negative slope? Remember that positive means as one increases, so does the other. Okay, negative, as one increases, the Are they doing the same thing? Are they both increasing? Or is one increasing and then the other one is decreasing? So that's a positive or negative correlation. 13, strong or weak correlation. So remember, the closer to being a straight line is a strong correlation. So you're not going to get an exactly straight line. That'd be very unlikely when you're doing these kinds of problems. But is it close to a straight line? Like, is it pretty easy to draw in that regression line? Or is it like, my dots are all over the place? If your dots are just all over the place, it's a very weak correlation. So that's how you're going to answer 13. So you're going to be analyzing your graph or your scatter plot. Okay, 14, new problem, you're done with that. Okay, new problem. Which graph below shows the best model for the data and will create the best prediction? Explain why. So, which linear regression line is the best? That's what they're asking. Which linear regression line is drawn in the best? So the data is all the same. No, it's not. Yeah, it is. The data is all the same, so the points are all the same. Which line is the best? So remember that you should have an equal number of points. It should go through the middle. So you should have an equal number of points on both sides, and they should be about the same distance from the line. So like B, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 points on the top half of the line and like maybe 1 point below. So that's not a good one. Okay. So you're between A and C. So between A and C, which line is more accurate? Okay, I would go with C. Ow. C. Okay, and then you have to give me a reason. All the points are close to the line. That's why it's C. That's one. You can give me a different reason if you want, but something like that. Okay, 15 and 16, you're doing the same thing. So which line, so once again, you have the same data points. Which line is the best? Okay, so you're doing that for 15, and then you're also doing that for 16. Which line is drawn in the best? And then give me a reason. And that's it. You really should try the Unit 5 final review tonight so we can go over it tomorrow. We will go over it tomorrow, therefore you should try it tonight. All right. That was so short. All right. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.